they had chronic fatigue, I'd say, oh, it's liver deficiency, yang deficiency, cold syndrome, or blood deficiency. This is not the case at all. But just because Western medicine names something, some sort of condition, doesn't necessarily mean that that condition always represents in the same way in the body. So for Farrah, her condition is lung deficiency, liver excess. So we're tonifying lung 5, a little deeper, about 2 to 3 mil deep. That's a dead gun.
Yeah, good. They
Yeah.
left.
In the middle of the rain.
Yeah. Oh, they actually got up there without any rain. The trip up, I think they got to Wimpy or somewhere, because they don't have to be at Bickerton until next week, I think. So they're just going to stop at a couple of places along the way. So the first night they stopped at Wimpy there. They set up because they were down 4K. So.
Lung 5, kidney 7.
I've got my herbal tea up. That's nearly 9 o'clock. I was by this morning.
Shunt, liver 4.
Remember originally we were treating it more for the yang, right? And then eventually we changed it to...
Yeah, that was too long ago.
Yeah.